'cause a winner don't quit on themselves.
Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Mel's Beauty. I'm Mel, and it's that time of the month when I see boxes in my mailbox, boxes in my mailbox, boxes in my mailbox, boxes in my mailbox. Yeah, get it. So you already know, if you already saw the previous video, we already got our BoxyCharm, description above, and we also got our Ipsy. So what box could be next? Dun 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 dun. Play by Sephora. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this box. I already cut around the tape because this is a little confusing box, because this time it's inside. So as usual, this is what we first see when we see the box. So let's see what this theme is. This month it is Welcome to the Beauty Boardwalk. Yes, I'm in the boardwalk. What does it say on here? It says Tipsy Teaser, Hydration Station, Kiss for 50 cents. Smell like summer, no filter boot. Yes. Mysterious Eye Fortune. Okay, I like this beauty boardwalk. I might need to go see this in real life, you know. Yeah. You know, we got a little 50% off. 50% off our 50-point play card. But let's get to this bag, you know. What? And it says, hot, hot, hot. Na, 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 na. Me by fire. Me on fire, baby. Hot, hot, hot. I don't know the words of the song, so I'm just winging it. So, don't judge me in the comments. Yeah. So, let's open a bag of goodies. Let's see what's in this bag of goodies. Okay, so I'll sit down. What's the first thing? This bag is a little heavy. So what's in this? What is this? This is Living Proof Frizz Nutrition Styling Cream. I think I have used this one before. I usually use it on my weave, aka one that's on my head. Because, you know, curly hair like to get a little frizzy easy. But she kind of just flowing in the wind right now. So, she good. So, I have no complaints about this. More hair product for my weaves. I'm that person, yes. Oh, I picked up the perfume. This is Music Festival Woodstock. Okay. Yeah, I don't know about this one. I gotta smell it. You know, it's certain perfume you just gotta smell it first. Oh, it's not. Okay, that's not bad. It gives me that fragrance that I like. It's not flowery. It kind of smell, I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. Okay. You'll keep her, boo. You'll keep her because at first I thought I had to give you away. Oh, I feel something big. What is this? Take Off Today Makeup Remover for Lids, Lashes, Lips from Clinique. So we have a makeup remover from Clinique. I don't know how to feel about this because I don't use Clinique products at all. But I guess I'll try it. As long as it's not the foundation, I'm good. I heard some things. I feel something heavy. It's a Too Faced lipstick. What color is this? What color is Queen Bee? You know I'm the queen. What? Oh, Now this is what should have been on my lips. I should have opened this bag earlier. Ooh, do y'all see that color? This goes with my outfit. Why I didn't open this box beforehand? I'm a little mad. You ever just got a lipstick, you like, nah, I'm gonna wait, and then you get it and you like, it goes with my makeup. It goes. Oh, dun, dun, dun. That's alright. I like my Gemini by Jeffree Star, so that's alright. Next time, boo. Next time, boo. Queen Bee, I got you, boo. I got you. You will be going with this look next time. It might be different, but you know. Okay. Ooh, this is a little big. What is this? Oh, this is silk canvas. This is actually a primer. I have actually wanted to try this. Let me see if I can zoom in. Is it Atashi? Atashi? Yeah, Atashi. Silk canvas. Filter finish. Primer. I gotta see how I look inside. Cause this. Ooh, it's pretty, y'all. Look at that. Do you see it? That is so cute. I wonder if it's just a matted primer. I'm trying to get it open. Okay. Oh, it's kind of creamy. Okay, this is gonna be an interesting primer. If anybody knows, tell me, have you used this before? This should be a very interesting use. Just saying, it should be very interesting because I never had a primer that looks like that or feels like that. Should be interesting. I think we got to the last thing in the bag. I feel it. I'm trying to take it out. Another Lancome mascara. If you've been following me long enough, we have gotten 3 of these mascara. I might need to take this off my list, my love list, because it's no reason for me to buy it because I already know how it is, which is always good. I love Lancome and I love their mascara. I love everything they make. So guys, and that is it. The hot bag. This is so cute. I got so many of these bags. I need to go ahead and like get rid of them. Give them to family and friends. Be like, yeah, here you go. I don't want it. But that is it of this video. So come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, closer. Not too close. Back up. I feel like you see my pores. Why you haven't subscribed yet? Subscribe. But don't forget to like. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell. And don't forget to go ahead, drop down in that subscription box, boo. It's some goodies up in there for you, especially. You like sunglasses, boo? It's something in there for you. You like shopping and getting cash back? It's something in there for you. You want one of these boxes that I have? Boo, it's down there for you. Go ahead. Look. But my little face gonna be right here. Video right here. Hit 1. See you in the next video, beauties. Bye.